Hi guys, EBPMAN here with Tablets for Me, and today we're going to take a look at a very unique battery backup solution for virtually all your devices. This is the Reeljuice. Let's check it out. So now before doing the unboxing, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features that are highlighted here in the packaging. First of all, what you're going to find is that you have multiple solutions here that are going to make your charging experience much easier than with any other product on the market today. The first thing that you're going to find is that this does include not only the battery backup solution, which you see right here, but also a wall charger that goes with the battery backup. And we'll talk about why that's so important. In addition to that, you do have a cable, and this cable is very long. It's 4 feet long with an included adapter that's going to allow you to charge both devices like Android devices as well as iOS devices. So you have the micro USB charging, and then also you have the proprietary iOS charging. Now this unit is a 5,000 milliamp hour unit. There are units that are 8,000 milliamp hours, and depending on the type of phone that you have, you're going to be able to charge that device 3 times or more. So simply all you do is you take your device milliamp hours on the battery and you divide it by the total capacity of the unit that you purchase. Now something else to highlight is that you do have a 10-watt charger here. So this 10-watt charger is going to charge your device much faster, this battery backup much faster than using standard wall chargers. So you're going to be able to charge this in 2.5 hours to full capacity. Now one of the neat things also about this battery backup solution is that in addition to having it plugged into the battery backup and charging the unit, it will also serve as a pass-through. So you can charge your battery at the same time charging a unit fully and really not have to worry about which one takes priority. Now the last thing, as we mentioned, really you have everything that you need here. Unlike other battery backup solutions where you have to make sure that you have a cable with you or the right adapter, this is everything included. So all you need to do is plug in your phone and you're set to go. Also, one of the things that's important to highlight, and I always appreciate manufacturers that do this, and we'll zoom into this area right here, this does come pre-charged. So if you were to purchase this right out of a store and pick it up, you don't have to worry about it not having a full charge because it comes straight out of the box fully charged. Now inside the box, what you're going to find is your Reeljuice charger with the charging adapter as well as a user guide. So now let's take a closer look at the Reeljuice battery backup solution in its entirety. First, looking at the side here, you have your power button, and when you press your power button, you're going to get some LEDs indicating when your battery is full. So you see 4 dots here indicating the levels of the battery. Now on the back here, you'll notice that you have, and this is the little legs that you need to plug it into your electrical outlet at home for charging, and that folds away nicely so you don't have to worry about that if you have this in a backpack or in a purse. As we flip this over, you're going to notice that you have a USB port here. So as you're using this in an electrical outlet, you can actually charge a device. Plug in the cable here, run this out, and then charge it as you're charging the battery. So that's a really neat feature. Now over here, we're going to take a look at a couple things. Here is your micro USB charging port, but then what you have is your iOS proprietary charger can be nicely tucked away here. As these two connect, you can store it with you, especially if you're in a home where you have mixed devices like I do. Now we talked about the cord. Now the cord is completely retractable. It is 48 inches in length, so that's pretty long. Now, I'm just going to continue to pull things out so you can see how long that is. So that's the full length of the cord. Very, very lengthy cord. You're never going to need anything that I would hope that is going to be longer than that. And it retracts really easily once you pull it out, and then you can store it back here nicely. Now, if you're in a home like I have, where you even have some newer devices that are using a USB-C, most of those devices, like my LG, came with a converter. So all you have to do is do the same thing. Place it in here, just make sure that you connect it correctly. So I'll go ahead and connect it, and then what I'll do is I'll place it, I'll retract this a little bit, and then I'll place it right here with my other cord. So what you in essence now have, I have 3 charging tips: micro USB, USB-C, and then I also have the proprietary iPhone version, all in one unit. Now separating these two is pretty simple. All you do is separate it just like that, and you'll notice here that you have the micro USB charging port here that you could use a standard charger, but like I mentioned in the intro, this is a 10-watt charger. This is going to charge this unit so much faster than it would using a standard charger. So you'll want to get this combination piece because it will just make your charging experience so much better. So now the next thing we're going to do is go through a charging example. So I'm going to remove the cable or extend it. And what we're going to do is plug it into a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Plug that in, and you should get feedback immediately as I did. And what you'll find right there is that it is charging the phone. So this concludes our review of the Reeljuice battery backup solution. If you have any comments or questions about this product, please leave it in the YouTube channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.